Hello world, this is YonarProjects.com. Today we are going to talk about disadvantages of functional type of project management organization. The functional department has its own major work, which has an advantage over the work within the framework of the project. Therefore, the client's interests are pushed into the background. Functional departments have the tendency of orientation to specific activities associated with their activities. This is not an unimportant problem in order to realize a project successfully. Usually, neither individual is completely responsible for the project. The lack of this precision often means that the project manager is authorized and responsible for some part of the project, but some other person is authorized for other parts. This is obvious lack of coordination, which is very important in realization. There is also a tendency of suboptimal execution of the project, that some people working in the department where the project is realized very carefully and efficiently are interested in realizing just some segments of the project and so neglecting and even ignoring the other ones. Some team members can understand assigning their activities in the project as going astray from their basic activities. This organized approach does not enable the holistic approach to the project. Technically complex projects cannot be qualitatively designed by this method. Mutual interdepartmental communication and necessary knowledge exchange is insufficient.